happy birthday. Yeah, yeah. I know you hate me. Yeah, yeah. Well, I miss you too. Yeah, yeah. I know it's kind of late, but happy birthday. So hard when you're far away. It's lame, but I forgot the date. I won't make the same mistake. I'm so to blame. But now you know. Don't hang up the phone. I wish I was at home. I know it's way too late, but happy birthday. Yeah, yeah. I know you hate me. Yeah, yeah. Well, I miss you too. Yeah, yeah. I know it's kind of late, but happy birthday. It's alright, I don't care. Cure again, give you more again, yeah. Yeah, you. Yeah, yeah. Knew I would love you like a fat kid love food. Knew I would score like Shaq did in school. Knew I was stupid, knew I looked like a big fool. I must have had the flu, I thought I was cool. Knew you would fall in love with me and then I do. But never knew you would murder me. What did I do? Knew you was right for me. Knew I was right for you. Knew I would help you sell. Knew I would write for you. Done me and you bet I felt it. I tried to beat you, but you're so hot that I melted. I fell right through the cracks, and now I'm trying to get back. Before the cool don't run out, I'll be giving it my best. Nothing's gonna stop me but divine intervention. I reckon it's in my turn.
Thank you very much po sa nag-greet po sa birthday ko. Ako po ay 21 years old na po. Salamat po at God bless you po sa inyong lahat. Salamat.